Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are all fit and fine. My name is Sujita. I teach in Jagran Public School, Varanasi. Today I am going to tell about Panchayati Raj system. This video is only for class 6 standard subject social science. Through this video we shall know about the system of Panchayati Raj. So let's begin. This is the picture of Panchayati Raj. First, we should know the meaning of Panchayati Raj system. Panchayat, village council, Raj, rule is a political system origination from the Indian subcontinent. Panchayati Raj has some basic points, so we should know about it. Number 1, Gram Sabha. Number 2, Gram Panchayat. Number 3, Block Panchayat. And number 4, Jila Parishad. It's Jila Panchayat. Here you can see the image of Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha. So we start about Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha is meeting of all adults who live in an area covered by a panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages. Every village panchayat is divided into wards, that is, smaller areas. Each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member. You can call Panch. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a Sarpanch who is the Panchayat President. The ward Panch and the Sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. The Gram Panchayat also has a secretary who is also the secretary of Gram Sabha. This person is not an elected person but is appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat, keeping the record of the proceedings. The Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat, Gram Sabha prevents the panchayat from the doing wrong things like misusing money or favoring certain people. It plays an important role in keeping an eye on the elected representatives and in making them responsible to the person who elected them. Now we come to know about Gram Panchayat. You can see the picture of Gram Panchayat. Now we shall understand about Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat meets regularly and one its main task is to implement development programs for all villages that comes under it. The work of the Gram Panchayat has to be approved by the Gram Sabha. In some states, Gram Sabhas form committees like construction and development committees. These committees include some members of the Gram Sabha and some from the Gram Panchayat who works together to carry out specific tasks. Now we come to know about the work of a Gram Panchayat includes some work here mentioned which Gram Panchayat do for our benefit: the construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school buildings, and other common property resources, levying and collecting local taxes, executing government schemes related to generating employment in the village. Now we come to know about the sources of funds for the panchayat. This is the picture. Number 1, collection of taxes on houses, marketplaces, etc. Number 2. Government schemes. Funds received through various departments of the government through the Janpat and Jila Panchayats. Number 3. Donations for community. So these are the sources of funds for the Panchayat. This is the picture of levels of Panchayati Raj. Jila Parishad, district level, Anchalik Parishad, block level, Gaon Panchayat, village level. Panchayati Raj system is a process through which people participate in their own government. The Panchayati Raj system is the first level of democratic government. The Panch and the Gram Panchayat are answerable to the Gram Sabha because these are members of the Gram Sabha who elected them. Panchayati Raj system extends to two other levels. One is the block level, which is called the Janpad Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it. Above the Panchayat Samiti is the district Panchayat or the Jila Parishad. The Jila Parishad actually makes developmental plans at the district level with the help of Panchayat Samitis. It is regulates the money district among all the Gram Panchayats. Within the guidelines given in the constitution, each state in the country has its own laws with regard to panchayats. The idea is to provide more and more space for people to participate and raise their voices. Some important points are given here. So, we should mention in India, the Panchayati Raj now functions as a system of governance in which Gram Panchayats are the basic units of local administration. The system has three levels, as I said earlier: Gram Panchayat, village level, Mandal Parishad or Block Samiti or Panchayat Samiti, block level, and Jila Parishad, it is district level. The term Panchayati Raj in India signifies the system of rural local self government. It has been established in all the states of India by the acts of the state legislature to build democracy at the grassroots level. It is entrusted with rural development. It was constitutionalized through the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. The Gram Sabha consists of all registered voters living in the area of Gram Panchayat and is the origination through which village inhabitants participate directly in local government. Elections for the members of the panchayats at all levels take place every 5 years. The panchayats must include members of scheduled caste SC, SCS and scheduled tribes ST in the same proportion as in the general population. Now we come to know about the father of Panchayati Raj system. Who is the father of Panchayati Raj system? Yes, this is the picture of Balwant Rai Mehta. Balwant Rai Mehta was a parliamentarian when the committee was established. He is credited for pioneering the concept the Panchayati Raj in India and also known as the father of Panchayati Raj in India. In 1956, the National Development Council appointed a committee under Balwant Rai Mehta, which submitted its report in 1957, in which recommended. I hope you all understood. Thank you very much for watching this video.